Jackson.
I'm Isaiah.
I'm Colin. What are microwaves?
Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation, as are radio waves, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and gamma rays. Microwaves have a range of applications including communications, radar, and perhaps best known by most people, cooking. Electromagnetic radiation is transmitted in waves or particles at different wavelengths and frequencies. This broad range of wavelengths is known as the electromagnetic spectrum, EM spectrum.
What jobs is microwaves?
Microwaves are used for communication and heat, so people that use walkie-talkies can use them, and so military dudes and space guys can use them.
Can we see the microwaves?
The human retina can only detect incident light that falls in waves from 400 to 720 nanometers long, so we can't see microwave or ultraviolet wavelengths. This also applies to infrared lights, which has wavelengths longer than visible and shorter than microwaves, thus being invisible to the human eye.
This is the end of the microwaves!